Hi, I'm Greg from Time Machines Motorsports. Follow me into the shop, we'll give you a tour. Welcome to Time Machines Motorsports. This is the shop where all the magic happens. We work on anything from Caterham 7s to Shelby Cobras to International Scouts or any other cool collectible or classic automobiles. As our business grows and our crew here at Time Machines has grown, we've gone through a lot of upgrades to the building, including new LED lights, new tin ceilings, and all new painted floors. Hey, check out the new lights we installed. High efficiency LEDs, they're beautiful. Whether we're laying down paint, fabricating new parts, or just turning wrenches late in the late hours of the night. So here on the lift today, we have a brand new rolling chassis built by Caterham. This is a 360R model. They ship to us from the UK without an engine or transmission installed if you choose to go with the rolling chassis option. And then we install the Ford Durotech engine along with the Mazda and the 5-speed transmission that's also supplied by Caterham when you order your kit. In this shot, we're looking from the front of the car to the rear from underneath, showing the expert craftsmanship that these chassis are built on. When you order your Caterham in our spec, whether it's a 360, a 420, or a 620, it'll come equipped with Toyo R88 R-Spec race tires on it. In a rolling chassis, the car comes complete minus engine and transmission. The engine and transmission ships to us from the UK in the same shipment as 07, so they're all matched by serial. Here's a shot of the DD on rear suspension that Lotus used at the end of their run, and Caterham has adapted since then. This car is equipped with a rear anti-roll bar, which is adjustable in 4 positions. Our model cars are all equipped with fully adjustable ride height builder Bilstein shock absorbers with iBox springs, specially configured for your Caterham. Please hit the like and subscribe button so that you're able to follow along with all of our builds.